this is Joy. I am coming back with another EI video, guys. This video will be covering the Chime Credit Builder credit card, guys. We're going to go over if there are any interest rates, the minimum requirement as a down payment, how it affects your credit score, and etc. Everything you need to know about this Chime credit card. First, I want to go ahead and say thank you all, whether new or returning, for coming to this channel. It's by God's grace that you're here. Also, if you haven't done so already, please go ahead and subscribe right now. I thank you for subscribing. And don't forget to like, don't forget to share this with your friends. Don't forget to comment and hit the bell for post notifications. So guys, we're going to hop right into it. You know how we do. We're going to take you to it and we're going to take you through it. So sit tight. This Chime Credit Builder credit card can be a great benefit and it can be a great default, depending upon how you use it. I will explain that in this EI video as well. I'm going to give you a hands-on visual so that you can see, but I won't hold you too long. So until next time, remember, stay safe, stay trust in Christ, and stay blessed. All right, enjoy the video. Okay guys, so thank you guys for coming on over to the website with me. You know, we're going to take you to it and I'm going to take you through it. It's only so far that I can go on this because you have to create an account, but I'm going to at least take you to the beginning and show you how to complete everything else, which is super easy, and it doesn't take long at all. So guys, we're going to come over here to chime.com and it'll bring you to this page. At the top you have benefits, accounts, who we are, and learn. If you already have an account, log in. If you don't, you get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna, you can click here and go to Credit Builder, or you can get started. It'll still bring you here. So before I go any further, I do want to say that you do have to have a spending account with them before you can apply for this credit card, because this is a secured credit card, so the money will have to come from some sort of checking account or savings account. Chime has both. So this is super easy. You're gonna most likely definitely get approved for their checking account. Absolutely. Go ahead and get you a spending account, which is a checking account. You wait on your card and then you go ahead and you apply for, make sure you can get a deposit coming through every month as well. And then you'll go ahead and apply for your Chime Visa credit card, okay? Once again, this is a secure Visa credit card, okay? It is a credit builder, super easy. Please don't downplay this because it's not one of those top names like Chase and Wells Fargo, etc. Okay, so this card is super cool because there's no annual fee, there's no interest, there's no credit check or anything like that to apply. You know, when you go to one of these well-known names like Wells Fargo, Chase, they will definitely do a credit check no matter what. So this one right here, no credit check, you're gonna definitely be approved. If you got an account with them, like a checking account, savings, you are absolutely already approved. Go ahead and get this tool, I'm telling you. You know why? Two reasons. One, there's no minimum security deposit required. When you get a secure card with Wells Fargo, speaking from experience, unless they've changed the terms now, when I had a card with them, they did a credit check. The process was not easy. And I also, of course, had to have a checking account so they can pull the money, but I had to have a minimum opening deposit of at least, if I'm not mistaken, $300. Okay, which is fine. But here, there's no minimum security deposit required. Okay, so if you want to put $50 in your checking and pull it from there, add it to your credit card, you can do that. Okay, because there's no minimum required. After you pull it, you use it. Let's say you want to use $30, you pay it back before the date is due. They're going to report it to all three major credit bureaus, guys, and that is how you build your credit history. Alright guys, I'm also going to possibly, Lord's will, do a video on how to dispute invalid items on your, how to dispute anything on your credit report, okay? And while you're disputing, alright, you're going to be building and adding to. We're going to be overshadowing these negative things on your credit. We're going to build on top so you can remove the old and you can start adding, building new things, good things. So your credit score can go from like a 500 to so high. Even higher than the 720 that you see here. So guys, don't underestimate this. Go ahead, use this information that is presented to you. Also tell a friend. We are all here to help each other, you know, because this good information is like, it spreads so rarely, but bad information, it goes so quickly. Let's help each other, guys, so that we can all prosper. And if you have any other suggestions or would like for me to make any other videos on any similar content, please put it down in the comment section below. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, and stay trust in Christ. You have yourselves a wonderful day, wonderful night, wonderful evening, wherever you are in this world.